Da-da-da-da-da, baby.
It works.
Let's move on to the game called Sound Effects. This is for Ryan and Colin. Come right here. Hi, what's your name, please?
Sally.
Sally, you need to come with me, Sally, and we'll come over to the stairs. And come right over here. Say hi to... And what's your name? Cheryl. Come with me, Cheryl. Come the same way, right this way. Here's a microphone for you, Sally. Cheryl, this is for you. This is Sally and Cheryl. Sally, do you own a little bird named Tweety? No. Okay. Sally and Cheryl.
My mother.
Oh, it's your mother. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just kidding around. She has a remarkable resemblance. We're going to play a game called Sound Effects. We're going to play a game called Sound Effects. And what happens is, Sally, during the scene, you're going to do sound effects for Ryan, who is the tall, goofy-looking one. And, Cheryl, you're going to do sound effects for Colin, who's the handsome, kind one. And the scene is... Ryan is an explorer, and Colin is a beautiful, feisty research scientist. Feisty. They're on an expedition down a mighty river in Africa to capture King Kong. And you guys are doing sound effects for the scene, and take it away.
All right, I've got all the supplies.
I'm feisty.
I know. Why don't I start a fire while you blow up the raft?
All right. It's not my best thing.
Here, let me take that over for you.
See, it's not so easy, is it?
So easy.
Yeah.
I got it.
Why don't we use the canoe?
Oh, we'll use the canoe. All righty.
Oh!
You know, this is my first time on Sploosh River.
Yeah. You're gonna love it.
All right.
I'll hold her steady while you get in. I get the padded seat. Ready?
Oh, what kind of bird is that?
Why, that's a hawk. A very slow flying hawk.
Listen. Oh, nothing.
Oh.
I thought I heard some drums or something.
He's coming, and he's got a gun. Oh!
You know, we haven't actually... How are we going to capture him?
Well, number one, I've got a big gorilla gun.
Oh, good.
You take that. And then I've got a bow and arrow with poison in it.
Wow.
It's Kong!
Look at this! Look at his shoes!
He seems mildly agitated.
I think he has a really bad cold.
Never mind that. Shoot him!
That just makes me mad.
Shoot him!
Damn.
Your bullets are landing about 10 feet away from us. Put some powder in there.
I just shot a hole in the boat.
Quick, Cone's getting mad. It's not working at all now. Quick. One thing that'll get him is this bow and arrow with poison. Hang on.